Hello and welcome back. We're going to be putting some eyes on one of my miniature masks, and here she is. I'm going to do some green eyes today. We're going to need a double stick foam tape, a fake nail, your flat back rhinestones, color of your choice depending on your color scheme for your doll or mask, whichever. And then of course we're going to need an art polish, I guess. It's a nail lacquer, but it's one of the art ones to do detailing, so it's a smaller and longer brush. And we're just putting that on the inner part of the eye so that it looks complete, finished, just really well done. You can see how bare the eye looks before, and then after I put the black on there, it looks much better. And then just cutting the nail to fit in between the eyes to go in the eye socket with the rhinestone on it. And just cut the foam tape into 4 strips to put above and below the eye socket. Here I'm just going to be taking off the corner of the nail so that it'll fit in behind the eye. There's that magnet part right in between her eyes there. So I just have to take out the corner of the nail so that it'll fit in there. Just apply a little dot of hot glue to the center of the nail, and then put the flat back rhinestone on that dot of hot glue, and you've got your eyeball. And repeat that process for the other eye. And if you have some excess glue that's come out around your rhinestone, you can remove it with either your X-Acto knife, or if you want to be a little bit safer, you can go ahead and remove that with your cuticle cutters. Here we're just applying the foam mounting tape above and below the eye socket so that we can attach the nail or the eye to that part to give her eyes. And tap that down just to make sure it's secure there, and that it won't come out if you need to remove your eye after you've put it in. Hopefully it continues to stay on the face if you do have to adjust the eye, which I often do. And just remove all those strips that keep it sticky, and you'll be ready to go. Sometimes you do have to redo these, so just take your time and make sure that they are even when you put them in. And oops, she lost her left eye there. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust that sticky tape and try it again. And it's a little bit off to one side, so we're gonna adjust it again a little bit. Just move it over a slight bit, just so it's not crooked with the other one. All right, and there she is. She's got her eyes now. And I love how that looks. I hope you liked the video and that you will subscribe and click the bell so that you will see all of my videos. Watch some more, feel free. It's kind of relaxing just to watch and very satisfying to see the final result. And I thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye.